Hey, what's up? It's Crypto. Guys, quick market update. Today, still green day. We had some profit taking. I've noticed like the stable coins dominance going up a little bit, and Bitcoin dominance as well is going up. So that basically means profit taking. But to be honest, it's to be expected. We've been rallying super hard. Okay, today I've noticed like PIF is going crazy. Okay, PIF is the oracle. PIF is going berserk, 35% for a day. If we go to 100 coins, obviously we do have a lot of meme coins: Pepe, Altcoin, Bong, Doge. Guys, tomorrow is a weekend, and I do expect meme coins gonna go parabolic. That's why I'm thinking about betting some meme coins before. I'm trying to catch this early move, you know. But before we go to that, I just want to show you something. So this is the website I like to use to track what the smart money is doing. It's called Nansen. It's a really nice website. It's basically like Arkham, but slightly better. It costs a lot of money to have a membership, because without membership you can't track much. So what you can do here is you can see what the smart money is buying. Let's go to the 24 hours. We have the smart money toggled on, and as you can see, they still bet on virtual. We have 22 smart money traders sitting in the virtual at the minute. And what smart money is? Smart money is basically institutions, good traders who got a lot of profit, and yeah, it's basically like the smartest in the space. Okay, so virtual just today had 140k inflows, and what we can do is we can actually click on virtuals. If we click on the tab smart money right here, you can see, so basically the light blue line is the amount of smart money holders, and just look, let's start from the 1st of April. We had 48 smart money holders in the virtual, and look how gradually it just goes up and up and up. And just today there is 74 smart money holders in virtual. Guys, this is crazy. We can look here, who's got how many tokens, what they do with the tokens, do they sell, do they buy. I mean, you can see you've got Long Hash Ventures, you've got basically just institutions. Okay, and some of them buy. I mean, look at this one just today. That's a small cap scientist. They are worth 500k. Just today they bought 132k of virtuals. I mean, there's something going on there. Okay, as you can see, like, they really pumping the price up. So it's definitely something to consider. If you're still bullish, if you think like this is not the end of the cycle, we still got like another leg up, this is virtual is definitely something to pay attention to. Okay, so what I was thinking, guys, obviously, yeah, we do have this pullback today now, and I think this is, I was really cautious yesterday. People been asking me like, okay, what do we buy, and I didn't want to buy because we've pumped already. Okay, I hate buying green dildos in the middle of no land. Yeah, it's just too risky, you know. Like, when everything is pumped, you just don't want to bet on tokens, especially meme coins when they like super over pumped. So this is something I draw the other day while I was recording a video. So this is the Bitcoin dominance on the daily chart. If you know, guys, when the Bitcoin dominance goes down, that means people selling Bitcoin and they bet on altcoins. Okay, so if you want to see this magical alt season, that's when you want to see this basically just going down. This line here, it's my indicator that I'm using. It's free. If you join my Discord, you will be able to get it for free. You just have to basically just tag me in the general chat, and I will let you use it. Okay. But yeah, anyway, Bitcoin dominance. What we want to see is basically Bitcoin dominance lose this level. Okay. If you look at this line, if we study this line, you see this thick line right here. Whenever we are above it, it works basically as your support, and whenever we break below it, it works as a resistance. So looking at the Bitcoin dominance, we want this to basically break below and start this line start to be our resistance, because we want to send that Bitcoin dominance lower. We want the altcoins to go up, right? And as you can see, like whenever it breaks below, the line turns red. Like for example here, right? We bounced off it, perfect support, broke below, tried to break through, we didn't. That was a resistance. So basically we are on the early stages of Bitcoin dominance breaking down. So that's what I want to see. I want this to break down and just go lower, okay? And if that's gonna happen, there is a few altcoins I've got for you, okay? Right, so this is the first one I was looking at. And why I'm saying meme coins, guys, tomorrow is Saturday. Let's try to think a little bit ahead, okay? Ahead of everyone else. So tomorrow is Saturday and we got Sunday as well. On the weekends there is low liquidity, so it's way easier to swing the prices to the upside or to the downside, okay? And I want to bet on some meme coins, because I think they will go parabolic this weekend. Obviously I haven't got a crystal ball, I might be wrong, my thesis might be wrong, but I think it's a good moment to like start buying some altcoins. I'm not talking about leverage, I'm just talking spot, okay? I'm not touching leverage here. If you want to do leverage, small leverage, okay? Don't go crazy, guys, okay? These if we go parabolic, you don't have to like up your leverage to like 10 or 20. You can go easily with 5. Your risk of liquidation is way lower, and you know how basically parabolic meme coins can go. If you've seen what happened in the previous meme mania, you don't need to up your leverage, guys, okay? Just keep it nice and simple, okay? Don't lose money. So this is the first setup I will be looking at. As you can see, okay, so as you can see, we are above the crypto moving average. We are above 9 EMA, 20 EMA, 50, 100, and we just, if we close above this one, this is the 200, we basically got nothing above us, and this is on the daily, okay? And this is the turbo. So that's why I'm thinking like this would be a good setup. What you want to do is you can even like enter here, okay? And this is obviously if Bitcoin is not gonna shit the bed, because if Bitcoin is gonna do something silly, you know, your altcoin is gonna go down, okay? So this is assuming the Bitcoin is not gonna do anything crazy, okay, to the downside. So yeah, I mean, I feel like you can just basically enter here, pray that this 200 moving average is gonna be our support. If not, we'd still have 9 EMA below. So what I would do is probably have the stop loss just below that 9 EMA. You can just add it in your indicators, okay? And then what I would target, easily those lows. So that's 307916. 7916. And that's almost 1 to 3 risk reward. So you basically risking $1 to gain $3. And this is a bearish case scenario. Okay, I think like if we go nuts, we might just pump higher. We might pump to like 9105, which would be even better returns. That would be 4.72 risk reward. So yeah, this is the turbo. Right, your second altcoin to bet this weekend would be Peanut. So if we look at Peanut, it pumped a lot already. The good thing is all the moving averages are below us, as well as Crypto Ultimate moving average is also below us. I wouldn't bet it here. What I would like to see ideally is basically just drop to this support right here, which is at 26 cents. I know it's really far away, but I would probably bet I would make a limit order there and just wait. Yeah, I don't want to long from this point, because this is basically like middle of nowhere. You don't have any support below. No, definitely no. If we drop to this highs, like I said, 26 cents, that's where I will enter. The stop loss would be at 20 cents, and basically from this point you have absolutely no resistance until more or less 53 cents. So risk reward, it's 4.19. If we take the measuring tool, that's almost 100%, guys. So if you go like 10x leverage, that's 1000%. Okay, so this is a setup number 2. Obviously it's a long ask, but you never know, you might get it, guys. Like it's always better to set the limit orders and have no limit orders fulfilled than chase the trades. Okay, you would be surprised how many times the price actually comes to the point where you want. That's how market works. Basically money moves from the patient hands, from from impatient hands to the patient hands. So this would be my second setup, Peanut. Once again, entry 26 cents, stop loss 20 cents, and take profit 1 would be 52-53 cents. It might go slightly higher as well, but I mean, you might even get to 65 cents. That would be extremely bullish, but that would be TP2. Okay, right. The third one, guys, would be WIF, which is on Solana, under one condition. Okay, right here. So we got the resistance here. See, one touch, second touch, third touch, and this is the fourth attempt to break this resistance. The more times you touch, actually it's the fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's actually the fifth one. So the more times you touch the resistance, the weaker it gets. It's basically like imagine having a door. Okay, you kick it once, you kick it second time, you kick it third time. By fourth time, that door is not as solid anymore. Okay, by fifth time it might break. So I'm expecting at some point we're gonna break through that resistance, and if we do, I would probably switch to I like to have at least like 3 candles close above it. So I'll probably switch to like a 1 hour candle. And if we get 3 consecutive closes above, and maybe some moving averages also moving above this resistance, that's where I will enter. Okay, this will be like once we break that resistance, this is gonna be extremely solid support. So this would be my entry. Probably we're gonna be slightly higher above that. So I'll probably just enter somewhere here around 77 cents. My stop loss, I'll probably go with a tighter stop loss, okay? Because we really do have a solid support here once we break it. So my support will be around 62 cents. That white line is a 9 EMA, so that's gonna move pretty soon just into the stop loss level. So that's gonna be like additional support. And the take profit. So this is the 200 EMA. So yeah, I mean, probably somewhere here. By the time we get to like guys, once we break that, we're going to $1 like really quick. Okay, so this is our first resistance. This is the first take profit on WIF around $103. Then the second one would be around 137. Okay, so yeah, this is really good setup actually. That's 4.2 risk reward. And guys, just pay attention to that support level at 73 cents. Like if we break that, that's gonna be great support. Okay, and yeah, we can just go from here. This basically is gonna be our bottom. We're not gonna go below that one. I don't know what has to happen to just drop below. So this will be my third peak on the WIF. And yeah guys, that's it. That's the 3 meme coins to bet this weekend. If you would like to have more updates like that, guys, there is a free Discord. It's called Traders Hub Group. We do have a pro trader, we do have a lot of signals, we have a nice tight crew. If you would like to join, it's completely free. Just make sure you visit the link in the video description and just apply. What I will do is I will let you in, and yeah, we do have like VIP options as well, but this is optional. Guys, it's a free Discord. There's nothing to lose, a lot to gain. Okay, yeah, and like usual, please leave a like, subscribe, just help me out. Okay, I'm starting that YouTube. It's very difficult to break through. Yeah, thank you very much guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.